If you're a lady, maybe maybe you can do the other things like leg over or like leg open. I don't want to say the word here. Maybe YouTube will create me some trouble, but you know the story what I'm the open legs. You can do that, but when you're a boy, what you will do, or you will become like the other one. You can see ladies, like whole ladies working in a construction. Means it's not easy, and you will leave your country to come here to do those type of jobs. You will never get the job, first of all.
Welcome to Ismonakes, the French boy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So French boys Monakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video here, I will explain you guys something that is really funny, but it's really serious at the same time. Yeah, it's funny for me, but it's serious for those who really planning to do this type of thing. There is a guy text me on Instagram today. You text me on Instagram, hey bro, I saw your video, I like your video, and I want to ask you something. I say, okay, go ahead, ask me. He said, I'm planning to come to India. I said, okay, that's good if you're planning to come to India, but for what? He said, actually, that's why I call you, but I planning to come to India for, to look for a job and settle down there. I want to come with like, he said tourist visa. I want to come with tourist visa and stay in India here. I laugh first. Like we were testing, but I laugh first. So what? You want to come to India here with what? Tourist visa? Oh my goodness. What? First of all, what you will come in India here for? You'll come in India here for what? Like for which job? Is it no like he will come here, maybe 3-month visa or 6-month visa, and after that he will try to look for a job, and after he will settle down like everybody's doing in other countries, European countries or America. I said, man, are you okay? Are you okay? Which country you talking about first? India. You will come to India here. The India that I know, you'll come to India here, look for a job, settle down, and later change your paper for another visa. It's impossible. It's impossible. And I will never ever recommend someone to try this one, to even think about this one here. It's not possible. First of all, what you will come here for? To do what here? Like a physical job, like working like construction, or maybe be someone maid, or what, like cut someone grass, or what else? Work in cafeteria or work in the restaurant? Where who will recruit you? Who? Indian? Don't even start to think about that. They will never ever recruit you, especially as foreigner. And like, where you from? Where you from? No, it's impossible. It's impossible. The only way you can come and be comfortable here is one, study. You come in here with like a student visa. You study in a university. Okay, you can be okay here. You are free. Even though we are student here, but we are not allowed to work. There is no student job here. First of all, if there were a job here, is those who study here will take advantage, but there is no any job for student here. So forget about that. First of all, the second one, you can come here for maybe traineeship, internship in a company, in organization, and like any other thing, like in any other company that like needs maybe foreigner to come and work. And if they want you, they will give you a invitation letter from where you are, from your country there, and you will do all your paperwork clearly and come here. Do not try to come here with tourist visa and stay here. You will be disappointed, man. You will be disappointed. Look in India here. How many people living in India? I'm not talking about outside India. How many people, how many Indians are living in India? Over 1 billion people, human beings living in India here. And you will come here to say, no, I will look for a job. Man, which job you will do? They have enough people to work of anything you can imagine. They have anything. They have engineer, they have everything. Yeah, if they need something, they will need a specific thing from you. Otherwise, when it comes to work and other things, they don't need you. And if you come here, you will suffer. I recommend, I highly do not recommend someone to come here, in this way, coming with tourist visa after, look for a job. You not even get a job, first of all, because you're not speaking the language. Here everybody speaking their local language. Don't think like maybe you speak like a small English, you come here and get something. They speak their local language. You yourself will not even be comfortable here, and you will suffer here. Please don't get yourself in trouble here. In India here is, no, I don't recommend all those things that I mentioned before. If you're not coming here for that, no. You come in here for study or for internship or to work for a specific job in a company, or you come in here to do business. Like, you can come here, buy your things, go back to your country and try to sell it. But don't come here to say, no, I'm coming here to settle down. Settle down where? You don't ask, like, okay, thank God you asked me. At least maybe you will see my video. If you're planning to do that, remove that from your mind. Go to other places, go to other country. There is a lot of country out there where you can go with tourist visa and settle down there, but not in India here. Please don't even try to imagine that you can do that here. Don't even try. It's not even worth it. Yeah, how much they will pay you here, and you will come man, you will work in construction here. If you passing through those construction, you can see ladies, like whole ladies working in a construction. Means it's not easy, and you will leave your country to come here to do those type of job. You will never get the job, first of all, and you put yourself in trouble. If you are a lady, maybe you can do the other things, like leg over or like leg open. I don't want to say the word here. Maybe YouTube will create me some trouble, but you know the story, what I'm doing. Open legs, you can do that. But when you are a boy, what you will do, or you will become like the other one, what you will do here? Man, I highly do not recommend you to come here the way you explain me. If you really need my advice, it's been like almost more than 4 years I'm living in India now. I will never recommend you to do that. If you want to come to study, come and study. And after your study, if you can leave, please leave. If you come here to work, okay, you can come and work, maybe settle down here. If you come in here to do business, you can come and do business, but do not come here pretending like oh, I'm going to visit India and after try to stay here, because there is nothing here. There is nothing here. Indian themselves looking for job, for the job you planning to come in and get here. Indian themselves looking for those type of job, and they don't even get it. They don't even it's not even easy for them to get it, and you will come here and put yourself in trouble. Please stay where you are or look for another country. Yeah, it's not easy here. It's like some people have to tell you guys the truth. For those who telling you like lies, you can come here, no, it's a lie. It's a lie. You cannot come here the way you're thinking. It's not possible. You will suffer. If you don't want to suffer, then please listen to me. I hope I make myself clear. Yeah, thank you to watch that video. I hope you guys learned something from this video here. If you have any brothers or sister who planning to come to India in this way, please like try to discourage her or he. I don't know, try to discourage him, or I say he, oh my goodness. Try to discourage him, because like it's not recommended to come here like that. Yeah, or show him the video, or tell him to follow me on Instagram so that he can ask me the question. I will answer him directly. No, don't plan here to come illegally or like come with tourist visa and after stay here yourself you will leave the country without anyone telling you to leave. That's how hard it is. So please, yeah, look for another way. Look for another way if you really want to come to India here. All the things that I mentioned, study, internship, work, yeah, you can come and do that. But the other one, please don't do. Yeah, as people say in French, à bon attendeur, salut. Yeah, thank you, and don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Like this video, share and subscribe so that we can grow together. I see people who subscribing, who commenting, who liking. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.
Welcome to East Monarchs, the French boy.